Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start now, slow your breathing and lower your voice so you don't escalate. Once calm, ask permission to engage. Can I sit with you? So he feels respected. Make your first words a brief intention. You want to understand how he feels, not to argue. Offer a gentle touch only if he welcomes it. Explain why. Consent reduces defensiveness, and a clear intention shifts the interaction from blame to repair. This first step sets the emotional climate for the rest of the conversation. You should prioritize listening without interrupting. Let him speak a full thought. Reflect briefly. Repeat the core feeling or fact in one sentence so he knows you heard him. Validate emotionally by naming the feeling, anger, hurt, tiredness, because validation reduces reactivity. Once done, ask one open, clarifying question to show curiosity rather than judgment. Make sure to avoid defensiveness or immediate problem solving. Instead, offer a short repair statement like, "I'm sorry." You now move toward repair. State a clear apology or one specific change you'll make, then propose a simple next step both can agree on. Reassure him in one sentence about your commitment and schedule a 24-48-hour check-in to review how you both feel. Make sure to follow through on the plan. Consistency rebuilds trust. If he withdraws or gets quiet, don't chase. Give space for a short time, and then send one brief supportive text offering presence and a time to talk.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.